Relationships aren't pure always. While in a good relationship, a person always seeks to be happier every day. But it's the opposite with a toxic relationship, where a person might feel depressed or tense, and these signs clearly show that the relationship you are currently in is almost over. So, what should we do now? Is there any solution to it? Well, as always, we're back with this new video addressing the problems in a relationship along with their solutions. So today in this video, we'll be talking about 5 signs of a toxic relationship, which needs immediate attention. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Number 1. Lack of trust. While in a relationship, each person has to understand that they are committed to each other. You always need a partner to trust and rely on, and in the absence of trust, a relationship might shatter before it takes off. So, what to do now? The solution? Stop questioning your partner too much. Show some trust and let them do whatever they want to. If they were busy last night, then there must be a genuine reason. If the question is still hovering over you again and again, then it's better to talk to them and get that sorted. Number 2. Being harsh every time. A relationship always has ups and downs. It consists of fights, yelling, ignoring, and more, but only at a certain limit. In case you see your partner yelling at you in a public space or in front of your friends, physically abuse you, or other horrid things, even after knowing that it hurts you, then this is a clear sign your relationship is an unhealthy one. The solution? Have open communication with your partner if you don't like certain things to be done. Let them know. It might hurt them, but after all, it is good for your relationship from a long-term perspective. Number 3. You love to be alone. In a relationship, people tend to stay around with the partner they love. But if it's the opposite with you, then you need to be careful. There isn't any harm in enjoying your alone time, but if you don't like your partner being around you, then you should do something about it as soon as possible. The solution? There must be something you don't like about your partner, and if so, then do let your partner know about it. Even if it sounds silly, let them know. You can also request them to change their habits, and if they agree, then it's a win-win situation, and you don't have to worry anymore. Number 4. No support. You are drained, sad, and looking for help. Your partner is aware of your situation, but still demands a lot from you, doesn't come forward for help, and does not support you. Then, my dear, you gotta take some steps. Every person in a relationship at least seeks emotional support from their partner. The solution? There might be a real reason behind it. Try to understand their point of view too. But if you find it useless, then you can seek a breakup. Or if possible, then ask them to give more time to you and understand your problems too. Number 5. Disrespects you. Everyone should respect their partners, whether they are in front of friends or alone. These are some of the core values that no one should forget while in a relationship. They might call you with certain slang, which you preferably don't like to be called with. The solution? The only solution to this problem is communication. Better communication. You can tell them how you feel when you are called like this. You can tell them to stop, or in better cases, you can together find out some funny pet names for each other. So, these were my 5 signs that indicate whether your relationship is toxic or not. Well, you must have noticed one thing. A common solution to every problem is having open and good communication with your partner. So, if you want your relationship to be long-lasting, then try to focus on having good communication with your partner. I hope you liked this video. If so, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll be meeting you in the next video with another exciting piece of content. Till then, goodbye and take care.